Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corina if you're new here. Today I'm so excited to share with you guys a day in the life video and an all day cleaning and cook with me video. My husband and I are currently working from home and juggling life with a toddler has not been easy, but I love sharing these times with you guys and sharing you what our days look like. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Hey friends, I am finally starting to film today. It's been an interesting morning. It is Monday. This weekend was kind of a rough one. I had a little bit of like a sinus issue happening yesterday. What are you? No. That does not go in your mouth, okay? It does not go in your mouth. You can use it to erase. That's it. Why do toddlers have to eat everything? So anyway,
Naughty.
Oh, 19.
Naughty.
19. Are you counting? Drawing and counting?
Oh.
Okay. So anyway, I woke up today feeling much better, thank goodness. I don't have too much going on at work today, just kind of prepping for meetings tomorrow, which is nice. So I've pretty much done the work I need to do on that stuff. I'm just waiting for feedback from my bosses on a couple things. And I woke up this morning kind of ready to like clean stuff up. The house is like a bit of a mess just because we're here all the time. There's like not a break from being at home at all right now. So I have some laundry going. I need to just get things kind of tidied up and like put away where they need to go. So hopefully I can work on that a little bit today. But I thought I would share this with you guys. I have these small whiteboards, which you guys have seen all the time from like grocery hauls and things like that, like meal plans and stuff like that. But since we've been home, I have been creating like a shorter meal plan. So I just do like 3 days at a time. And on here, I just did lunch and dinner. But sometimes I add breakfast, sometimes I don't. But this has been really helpful to just kind of give us an idea of, number one, the meals that we have available, and number two, kind of what the plan is, because that's like the hardest thing for me is having to plan it out each day and having to like, pick specific things to eat each day. I'd rather just do it like, twice a week, a couple times a week. You can always interchange things, but it's really nice for me to just have it like ready to go. So I'm going to show you guys what we're going to be having for the first couple days of the week here. Okay, so here's my little whiteboard, or dry erase board, not whiteboard. So today is Monday. So for lunch, we're going to have these chicken meatballs and rice, and I'll probably do a veggie with it. For dinner, we're going to do some barbecue chicken and veggies and mashed potatoes. I just put mashed potatoes. I wanted like a potato salad, but my husband doesn't really care for potato salad, so I'll probably just do mashed potatoes. Tuesday, we're going to do the meatballs and rice again because it will be plenty for a couple meals for lunch. And then for dinner, we'll do cheese steaks and french fries. Wednesday, we'll do a crock pot chili and then tacos for dinner. So this is really beneficial because I know what I need to take out. Like I know for this day, I need to either take out the chili or chicken or whatever I want to put in the chili. I'm sorry, what did I say? Take out the turkey or the chicken, whatever I want to put in the chili either the night before, or I need to take it out Tuesday morning so that I can prep it to go into the crock pot on Wednesday. So I just know that I have a little bit of work to do on that. For today, I have the chicken already thawed out, so I just need to marinate that. The chicken meatballs are actually pre-made. I'll show those to you guys real quick. Excuse me, son. Excuse me, thank you. Okay, so my hubby grabbed these from Costco. They're chicken meatballs, they're teriyaki and pineapple. And he saw them. I told him to grab whatever he thought would look good for like quick meals for us to have at home. And he thought these looked really good, so he picked some up. And he said this over rice would be really yummy. What you got? Oh, good. Thank you. Okay. You're welcome. Bye. He just said thank you, bye. So anyway, I have a pack of these thawing out right now, just out here on the counter like a heathen. So I'll just like warm these up for lunch and make some rice and add a veggie with it. And that'll be that. But like, look at this place. There's just like stuff like everywhere you look. There's just things out. Like these balloons over here, I need to get rid of those. The living room is kind of worse. I gotta get this ICU away from this kid. Oh, so cute. This stuff, these are like birthday cards, and my Bible is out. We got bubbles and pens and just random stuff hanging out. So all of his toys, which those are fine. He's been playing this morning. I'm gonna collect this. All right, guys, for this chicken, I'm just gonna marinate it really easily with some barbecue sauce, salt, pepper, garlic, and some onion powder. And then I'll let it sit in the marinade for a few hours until we need it for dinner. So with this, I'm gonna do like zucchini, bell pepper, and maybe corn on the cob, and then the mashed potatoes. And that will be dinner for tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this marinated right now. All right, the chicken is ready to go. I'm just gonna put the lid on, put it in the fridge until it's time to make it for dinner. And I'm gonna get all this stuff cleaned up and put away, and we'll be good to go. All right, now that I got dinner started and marinating in the fridge, I'm gonna go ahead and do some laundry. I had already started a load, so I'm just transferring that load from the washer into the dryer, and then I'm going to put a second load into the washer. And we're also getting a little photo bomber who is enjoying a popsicle. The thing that I did not catch on tape, as you guys might see, his popsicle was sideways, but right as he walked away, he went back to sit in the kitchen, like on the tile floor, and he completely dumped his popsicle like over. Like he forgot which side was which and got popsicle all over the floor. So then I had to clean that up and get him cleaned up. So I'm also going to go ahead and get rid of these balloons. These are from my birthday, which was on April 1st. So those have been hanging around for a long time, so it's time for them to go. And then I'm also just doing some cleaning around the house. I'm just kind of picking up some things that have kind of found themselves in random places and cleaning off surfaces and things like that to just get us reset to the way I like our house to be, nice and fresh and clean. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All done. Okay guys, lunchtime is finally here. Making some stir-fry veggies. And then here are the meatballs. I just threw them in the saucepan with a little bit of coconut oil. And then I added some of this sauce in here as well to give us a little bit of sauce to put over the rice with it. So the interesting thing about these is that they are like the teriyaki pineapple, but they don't have sauce on them. So they're just kind of the meatballs by themselves. So I would grab a little bit of sauce if you like that. I'm a saucy girl, so I like my sauce. Yeah, I'm saucy. So we're just gonna let these heat through. You basically just have to like warm them up. And then they're ready to go. And the rice is ready as well. So they're getting kind of nice browning on them. They're gonna be really good. They smell really good. So steamy. Okay, we ate lunch and it was delicious. But now we're having some ice cream, and this is highly recommended Breyer's chocolate truffle. It's so good. It's gone, by the way. It's gone. We're eating the last of it right now, but it's So good. And you're having a cookie too?
Yep.
It's a good idea. I don't have enough room for cookie. But anyway, check out this ice cream. It has chocolate truffle chunks. So good. Can't beat it. All right, so with lunch eaten and Elias down for his nap, it is time for me to get back to cleaning. I decided to tackle a few different chores throughout the afternoon this particular day, and I started with the stove. So our stove and our appliances in our kitchen are black, and so they're actually like a black stainless, so they do get fingerprints, and the stove especially, like whenever I cook on it, it gets dirty. So I try to clean it off every couple days, if not more often than that, but it had been a few days, so it was pretty grody. And then as always, we have some dishes that need to be done, so I'm just hand washing a few things. And you'll also see me wash our cast iron skillet. That, whenever I wash it, I do add a little bit of coconut oil to it. The soap, you're actually not supposed to use soap on cast iron because it strips it of the non-stick surface. So I always make sure to kind of re-season it lightly with some coconut oil. Alright guys, and here I am working on some laundry in our bedroom, and the boys eventually join me, and we make it a family affair with Elias just kind of rolling around on the bed per usual toddler status. Hey guys, so we just got the laundry all done. That was 2 big old loads of our clothes that we had to do. It was a lot. It was like the hamper was overflowing. Totally put it off for a long time. But that's done. We got the kitchen cleaned up a bit. I have been feeling pretty good today. I didn't take a nap today, which is very rare. But I felt like I had a good amount of energy, but now I'm feeling like, okay, calm down. You did a lot. So Elias is hanging out on our bed watching some nursery rhymes, and I think I'm just going to read for a little bit. This book is called Translating God. It's by Sean Bowles. I will link it down below. It's really good. I had shared it on my Instagram, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks ago or something. And I talked to actually the leader of our women's ministry today at our church, and she said that she saw my post and she ordered the book and read it and she loved it. And I was a little embarrassed because I was like, oh, I'm only halfway done. So, but different seasons, like she's retired, she's a grandma, like totally different seasons of life, right? So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and read for a little bit, and we're just gonna relax until it's dinner time. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's day in the life vlog. Once again, just hanging out at home, getting all the things done. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. I'll talk to you soon.